Samolo kumgamsa, yeah, that I think also double displacement reaction called also jangi double displacement reaction na and condition like re any on dig in nenga katari me kola in yetari de la any can't to shugi yapos serona, yeah, double displacement reaction. Something to watch it, double displacement reaction. Yeah, double displacement reaction is the reaction angola, the exchange of ion takes place. Katune ion exchange chegre, and then I to get ion yama exchange chegan to cola. Any shena, any ganzuki double displacement is so chegre, some to double displacement like they are. A reaction in which two compounds reacts by exchanging ions. Reaction in which two compounds reacts with each other. Reacts with each other. Reacts with each other, one another, or reacts with one another. These two compounds reacts with one another, or these two compounds reacts with each other by exchanging their ions to form two new compounds. Such a reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. I repeat here, double displacement reaction is a reaction in which two compounds reacts with each other by exchanging their ions to form two new compounds. Such a reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. Say, compound A, B, T, compound C, D, reaction. Compound A, B, compound C, D, reaction. Any compound condition, there are A, C down to the B, D. Compound A, C, the B, D. That reaction double displacement reaction. We cannot say that the element A displaces element C. D displace chigrex concept ion exchange. Ion exchange any that A B ion niche, CD ion niche. That then the ion exchange and AC the BT like new compounds form. Such types of reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. So China, Chesa the reaction reaction A B D that under the displaced chigres, more reactive metal displaces less reactive metal like the activity series la touch and how to go. The activity series the thingy displacement, single displacement reaction there there are double displacement reaction the ion exchange compound ni any korangi react they undergo a change to form two new compound where the ion exchange takes place. Or the digital ones any double displacement reaction. There are cation and anion. If you exchange both the cation and anion, then you will get the same reaction. Either you exchange cation only or you exchange anion only, so that you can get this double displacement reaction. Double displacement reaction. reaction double displacement reaction. And example if I get you an example, silver nitrate and sodium chloride. Silver nitrate and sodium chloride. That is compound silver nitrate and sodium chloride. That is compound say A, B, C, D. All those compound that if you exchange these cations, sodium de cation, silver de cation, yana or nitrate, anion, chloride, anion, kunimi, condic exchange, and there is a formation of say silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Silver chloride and sodium nitrate. AgNa Rangjasha sa chlorine di chu nitrate di pa exchange. Exchange sa silver chloride and sodium nitrate. O dindi reaction chi nganzo khala sina and nganzo ge double displacement reaction. So sa and the equation balance ni chi mundu. And this is one example of double displacement reaction. Dige jebulo sna indi ranja ba chesa odi nganzu jebulo tisane yana cations, both the cations only, yana both the anions only. Odi ni exchange china and nganzu la khala double displacement where exchange of ion takes place. Such a reaction is called as a double displacement reaction. Kan ye ge example shimbas step china then sodium hydroxide any anzola acid reaction hydrochloric acid. That dige double displacement reaction, dige double displacement reaction. Yang anzo sodium rangja sha sodium rangja sha hydroxide chabla chlorine chu degela sodium chloride any anzo ge dijongodi hydrogen rangja sha any the anzo ge OH de phake suna the OH de phake suna H2O cha OH the hydrogen reactions na hydroxide hydroxide sa karsa hydrogen the hydroxide reactions na H2O cha all those that the reaction this is called as a double displacement as well as neutralization reaction. Neutralization reaction. Neutralization, the acid reacts with base to form salt and water. Neutralization reaction. Oh, this is neutralization reaction, and this neutralization reaction is also a double displacement reaction where ion exchange takes place. All the now, reaction reaction double displacement reaction. Lead nitrate. Lead nitrate the potassium iodide lead nitrate lead valency 2 in the potassium iodide kuning reaction china and manzol lead iodide I lead iodide potassium nitrate the equation balance there are two gaps na equation balance so that the reaction to get a chimbur kasinima nige manzuge bagala kharsa equation balance sheet is an equation balance color then so never balance share any other there and the yellow precipitate lead iodide like yellow precipitate this reaction where this potassium iodide right, is a colorless liquid. Similarly, lead nitrate is a colorless liquid. When these two colorless liquid, when they react, at that time they gets converted into a beautiful yellow precipitate formed by lead iodide and potassium nitrate. The lead iodide के precipitate that cell state जैसा दी की reaction दिलिया means बचेगा precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction यहाँ लग रहा है. जैसा हम जो reaction types of reaction ना reaction की main type चंगी शारला है शारदा शोला हम जो खर्चे बिल्स ना neutralization reaction लाया तां precipitation reaction लाया तां खासा हम जो की दिनिया लाया हम जो की combination reaction जांग युद्ध चले दिनांगो exothermic तां endothermic reaction ला वो दिने हम जो दिनांग सीचने इन reaction दिखे चांगा सब ये बना हो ना इन दूसरे ने that double displacement reaction in example that sum shayu en cheza o dindichiga penachashina lead nitrate tang sodium chloride reaction na en manzu khara isna lead chloride tang sodium khare nitrate ragire la o dindichini ama endig reaction khajo su yore reaction dindigi reaction mangu pe yore cheza dindigi reaction ki type chigla ion exchange into a type chigla manju khada gresna double displacement reaction agre ani dige sunda nebar shengure nyune dige sunda shengure ani the double displacement reaction ko ni de zamche ni china